We are excited to present the Park at Ashford as Sugal Capital's latest multifamily real estate passive investment opportunity. Positioned as an equity growth offering, the Park at Ashford is a remarkable acquisition with a strong basis relative to recent transactions in the submarket. The Park at Ashford is a Class B asset townhomes style apartment homes. The property has 144 units, averaging 883 square feet, and is currently occupied at 93%. This product stands out in the market because of its desirable condo-spec townhomes with 9-foot ceilings, attached garages, individually metered utilities, and washer-dryer connections for all units. Situated in Arlington, Texas, the property's location allows for convenient access to Fort Worth, Dallas, or mid-cities via I-20 and Highway 360. This location also provides quick access to entertainment areas like AT&T Stadium, Ranger Stadium, Six Flags, shopping, and more. The property's location gives residents quick access to major employment headquarters, including DFW International Airport, Arlington ISD, and Lockheed Martin. Additionally, the Park at Ashford falls within the Arlington ISD, which boasts a B+ rating on niche.com with the median household income for the area just under $70,000. This asset is perfectly poised for income-driving transformations through the Platinum renovation scope. Using our vertically integrated construction management company, we are estimating $11 million of potential value at creation. With 94% of units currently in cross-stick conditions, we have earmarked 135 units for Platinum renovations, which include high-end stainless steel appliances, waterfall quartz countertops, quartz backsplash, tub surround, new shaker-style cabinets, and more. In addition to interior renovations, anticipated exterior renovations include enhancing security with perimeter fencing, lighting, access control and roof repairs, revitalizing the pool areas, and adding amenities such as a dog park. Other contemplated income drivers include patio extensions, washer-dryer rentals, technology packages, and more. We are thrilled to offer this exciting investment opportunity. If you have any questions, our dedicated investment team is ready to assist you. Find out more at sugalcapital.com/open.